Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. I'm Nisha Goyal. I'm going to teach you maths of class 3rd from your book Math Site. Dear students, today we are going to start with a new chapter 3, subtraction. As you have already done subtraction of 3-digit numbers in your previous standard. In this class, you will learn 4-digit number subtraction. Let us discuss firstly the contents of this chapter. So my dear students, in this chapter you will learn these contents. First is subtraction of 4-digit numbers, subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping, subtracting from zeros, find the difference, subtraction facts, and the last is word problem. Now I will tell you what are the objectives of subtraction. Why subtraction is an important in our day-to-day activities. Basically, there are different types of situation in our daily life where we are frequently use subtraction. Let us look at them. First, subtraction is used when we have to identify something from a whole. Let's take an example. If there are 47 students in a class and out of them 32 are boys, so how many of them are girls? My dear students, here you will find the answer with the help of subtraction. We find the result 15 girls are there in the class. Another situation is where subtraction is used when we have to buy or sell something. There you need also subtraction. If you are purchasing anything from the shopkeeper and you gave money to the shopkeeper, but you don't know how much money you will get back. For in this situation, subtraction is very helpful to you. Another situation is where subtraction is used when we have to reduce or decrease something. Next, when we have to compare two numbers or have to match up one number to another number, we use subtraction. So my dear students, let's take an example. Roy delivers 40 pizzas, or another side, John delivers 30 pizzas. So how many more pizzas did Roy delivers? So the answer will come with the help of subtraction. 10 pizzas. Roy delivers more than John. Like in this day-to-day activities, subtraction is very helpful for us. So dear students, you already know subtraction till 3-digit numbers. In this chapter, you will learn subtraction with 4-digit numbers. As we are subtracting in 3-digit numbers, as follow we will do subtraction in 4-digit numbers. Before starting our content, I would like to tell you a story. Kids, do you like to listen a story? So let's start with our story. Once there were 1560 trees in a jungle. One day, a cruel witch came and cut a lot of trees from this jungle. 1250 trees she cut. And why did she cut? Because she wanted to make a magic soup. So she looked beautiful. So she cut a lot of trees. So how many trees are left? How we will find it? Dear kids, whenever something is taken away or removing from a group of numbers, in that case we are using subtraction. So now how we will solve this? We will do with the subtraction. Now let's see how we will write it. First of all, we will write 1560 on a right place value and the original numbers of the trees, because that is a bigger number and it always come on a top. So ones will become on 1,000, 5 will become on 100 place, 6 will become on tens place, and 0 will become on ones place. Now, how many trees which has cut it? 1,250. So we will write exactly as the same way as we write original numbers of the tree. For subtraction, my dear students, we are using this subtraction sign. Okay, I hope you are understand. Now we will have to find out how many trees are left with the jungle. So how we will do it? Let's see. Whenever we have to start subtraction, we have to start from a ones position, okay, and then we have to move to tens place, then 100, and then 1,000 place. Only in this lesson you will learn only one new place, and that is a 1,000 place. Otherwise steps remains the same as you are doing in a 3-digit subtraction sums. You start from ones position and then you have to move leftwards. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds, and as you seen, hundreds to thousand. Dear kids, whenever we have to subtract, you have to subtract two single digit number at a time, and always subtract bigger to smaller number. In this sum, in a ones place, on the top is 0 and on the bottom is also 0. So we have to subtract single digit numbers at a time. So 0 minus 0, you have seen in a ones position now, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. In a 100 place, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now in a new place, 1,000, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you will write 0 in a 1,000 place down. So how many trees were left in jungle? Only 310 trees were there left in a jungle. So kids, the answer which we get from this sum, 310 trees, that is called difference. In a subtraction sum, the answer which we get, that is called a difference. So students, I hope with this story you are now able to learn how to do subtraction with 4 digits number. Now we will do this work in our book. So for this you have to open your book, page number 43, exercise 3.1, question number 1 and question number 2 you will do in your book yourself. I hope now you are able to do this exercise. Dear students, I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.